Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Waiting lang po at may inaasap sa. Thank you so much.
Otoy, tara. Atahid.
Dati sa tinapong ni basura. Ito pa pala.
Dear friends and players, for a few minutes po, mag-i-start na ang ating awarding. Congratulations to all the teams. You all did well, and I hope na nag-enjoy ang lahat sa Season 4 ng Philippine Volleyball Cup.
Magandang hapon, campers! Una, palakpakan natin si Lord sa napakagandang panahon binigay sa ating lahat. Thank you very much, Lord. Pangalawa, palakpakan ninyo ang inyong mga magulang for their unwavering support in all that you do. Maraming salamat po to all our parents. Palakpakan din ninyo ang inyong mga coaches. And also, above all, put the biggest claps or get the biggest claps among yourselves. Congratulations for finishing off Relief Cup Season 4. And ngayong hapon, hindi lang natin bibigyan pagkilala ang inyong mga kupunan sa galing ng inyong nilaro, but also we will recognize individuals who have performed excellently para sa ating laro ngayong hapon na ito. Excited na ba kayo? Parang hindi. Ulit. Excited na ba kayo? Okay. So malungkot kasi wala yung isa nating teams, but if they are watching, malakpakan din natin sila because they put up a good fight as well. Team, ano nga po yan, Coach? Blitz Owls. Ang mga, ano Tagalog sa owl? Waklo. Alright. So this time, we will be recognizing, just like what I said, the individual performers who perform excellently during matches. And we will be beginning with the best server. Allow me to read the certificate. Certificate of recognition is hereby awarded to in recognition of your precision, power, and consistency as the best server of Relief Cup Season 4. Your service game set the tone for your team and challenged every opponent. You served not just points, but passion. Play, vibe, and compete. We are requesting our mga mapupogi at magandang part of the committee. Yan. Masyado yung nilapitan. Mahirap mag-picture si Tantan. Kapag medyo kung i-move backwards, ayan, ayan, ulit. Okay, who do you think is the best server? Best server! From Team Violet. You are this league's best server, and Mariana Bacalala. She will be receiving a certificate of recognition. Pwede pong sumama ang parent para po yung recognition talaga. Joke lang. The next award, pwede niyo po mag-picture mga mami. Yan. Ayan, pakinanin si Kuya Tantan. Thank you.
Namatay na mga coaches.
Alright, next certificate of recognition is given to the best receiver for her unmatched control, quick reflexes, and court awareness earning you the title of Best Receiver in Predif Cup Season 4. You turned every threat into an opportunity, every receive a game changer. You are the best receiver for this season. From the red team, Liza Audrey Manaligan. Next certificate of recognition will be awarded to the best digger for her relentless hustle, fearless defense, and ability to keep the rally alive. As the best digger of Predif Cup Season 4, you proved that no ball is ever truly down. You dug deep, literally and figuratively. From the Maroon team, you are this year's best digger, Johan Gabriel Capbadio. Your team's offense as the best setter. You made every play possible. You didn't just set the ball, you set the standard. Our best setter for Season 4. From the red team, no less, Miss Alena Rain Cassandra Salada. Will be given to the best outside hitters. We have two best outside hitters just like in ABC. Nandun ba yung ABC? Si T4 at si Kanino, diba? Best outside hitters. So meron din sa Predif. Best outside hitter is recognized for her powerful attacks, steady reception, and all-around impact. As one of the best outside hitters of Season 4, you brought energy and execution every time you took the floor. A force on the front line. Our best outside hitters. First, binabasa niyo ang bibig ni Coach Rona. From the Maroon team, Paulo Lindon Salito. You are also one of the best outside hitters. From the red team, Joel Daniel Cipillo. At nasa bulutan po siya. This time around, we will be recognizing two of the best middle blockers for their dominating presence at the net, effective beats and quick attacks, and earning them the title of Best Middle Blocker. You were the wall they couldn't get past. Our best middle blockers from the blue team, Sash May Hernandez. Susunod na Maggie Manaya. Yan. Next middle blocker, you are also the best middle blocker. Also from the blue team, Cassie Larius Acarlo. Yes, you are here. Okay, so you attended and the overall performance. Last, but definitely not the least, is the best opposite hitter. She's recognized for her powerful spikes, steady blocking, and smart plays on both ends of the court. She was the true weapon in the team's arsenal, strong, strategic, and unstoppable. This season's best opposite hitter from the Maroon team, Clara Pauline Monton. Excellently during the game, and these are what we'll be calling as the Mythical Six. Allow me to read, certificate of recognition is hereby awarded to for being selected as one of the distinguished Mythical Six in Predif Cup Season 4, an honor awarded to the top performing campers who demonstrated outstanding skill, leadership, and impact throughout the tournament. You are part of the Mythical Six. Irish Cheska Reyes. Next up, you are also part of Mythical Six, Maria Isabella Montalvo. Also part of the Mythical Six, Chloe Lexi Cecilio. Congratulations also, Chanel Althea Hasson. Part of the Mythical Six also is Angel Zarin Mendoza. And last but definitely not the least, Caitlin Adrini Camilla. Palakpakan niyo sila, just like our best individual awardees, they also perform very well, commanding the court and doing all they can to get a win for their team. Okay, this time we shall be awarding the season most valuable player. Ito po yung player na nag-stand out all throughout the season of the league. Allow me to read, season most valuable player in recognition of your outstanding performance, exceptional leadership, and unwavering dedication throughout the Predif Cup Season 4. Your skill, sportsmanship, and passion on and off the court have set a standard of excellence, inspiring fellow campers and elevating the spirit of the game. As the most valuable player, you embody what it truly means to play, vibe, and compete. Our season MVP will be receiving a medal, a certificate, and also a gift certificate. Just like what Coach Lance promised, you are entitled to a 1 pair of shoes at Shoe Walk Batangas. O, ganyan ka, generous ni Coach Lance. Pag-pampers na ni Luis, bibili ka na lang ng shoes. Joke lang. Allow me to read this certificate entitles the Predif Cup Season 4 Season MVP to 1 pair of shoes from Shoe Vault. So, papakita nyo lang po ito and also your ID, tapos makukuha nyo na yung shoes. Sino kaya siya? You are Predif Cup Season 4 Season Most Valuable Player, Cesar Timothy Enriquez. Alam mo, habang i-receive niya kayong award, nakakatuwa kasi ngayon lang ulit ako boxer, but look at your improvement. Yeah, mahalin naman ang fan, just as much as we love you so much. Okay, this time, before we award the finals MVP, we will recognize each team, beginning with our third runner-up. Our third runner-up is hereby recognized for securing such position. Their resilience, teamwork, and unwavering efforts have made a lasting impact on the court and in the hearts of their fellow campers. You embody what it means to play, vibe, and compete. Congratulations, Team Hamilton! You will all be receiving a certificate and a medal. O lahat mo makaka-receive ng certificate at medals. Runner-up in Relief Cup Season 4, showing grit, growth, and determination throughout the competition. Your journey is proof of the spirit we uphold, play, vibe, and compete. Coaches, pabalik ko pag-lapis ang medal, baka may absent na player. Bibigay na lang natin ng Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, coaches. Their victory is etched in the legacy of Pradeep Volleyball Camp. Congratulations, Team Flaming Ashers! Congratulations, Coach Ron. Ikaw daw may pangalianda sa mga coaches na ikaw ang champion ngayon. Ang mga anak sa kinabunso, anak mo. Dito na lang, anak mo, bali, di ba naging nabunso? Tsaka ikaw anak ko. Wala kayo sa kita. Makasal ko sa binila. Sa kabila. Palakpakan naman natin this season's champion, Flaming Ashers. And of course, we have one individual award left. And this is our finals MVP, the one who performs the best during the final game. And kagaya ng ating season MVP, she's also entitled for a pair of shoes at Shoe Vault. So she will be receiving a pair of shoes, a certificate, and a medal. Congratulations! You are the finals most epic volleyball player, Miss Kihari Ray Luciano. Congratulations! Dahil dyan, ililibre mo silang lahat. Di ba, Daddy? Muli po, sa kanan po ng ating mga coaches, sa pamumuno ng ating founder, Coach Lance Amigo, ang aming taos-pusong pasasalamat to all our campers and most especially our parents for not leaving us, for staying loyal to the camp, and for always enrolling. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And before we go, Coach Lance is requesting for a group photo opportunity. Dito na lang din sa stage, akibahin dito sa baba. Let's go mga anak. Group photo opportunity with the coaches. Kung mga mommies and daddies, we will post the photos later po. Para meron po kayong copy. Pero hintayin namin natin maayos ko. At this season, next season of Batangas City, Coach Lance will open on Batangas City. June 28, also for San Pascual and Bawal. Alright, sign ball 1, first in Batangas. Number 1 po, first in Batangas. Alright, there you have it. Thank you very much again to all our players and our campers, coaches. This has been Pradeep Volleyball Camp Season 4.
One, two, wait lang! Wait lang!